A new AI video model from China is launched and it's making big waves in the video generation world. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has just unveiled their latest creation called Goku. And what this system can do is pretty mind-blowing. This isn't just another AI model, it's a complete video creation system that can make high-quality videos in real time. What makes Goku special is its ability to transform different types of content, images, text, and motion signals into smooth, natural-looking videos. Imagine wanting to create a video but not having access to cameras, actors, or even a studio. Goku handles it all. It can generate realistic human animations with detailed facial expressions and movements, all without traditional filming. The system is incredibly versatile. You can feed it different types of content, maybe a static image, a pre-recorded video, or even some audio. And Goku will use all of that to create completely synthetic human videos. ByteDance says they've trained it on high-quality data to ensure everything looks fluid and realistic. Now here's where things get even more exciting. ByteDance has taken this technology further with Goku Plus, which is specifically designed for advertising. They're calling it a video ads foundation model, and according to them, it can help create advertising videos at just 1% of the usual cost. That's 100 times cheaper than traditional methods. Goku Plus comes packed with some seriously impressive features. First up, it can create hyper-realistic human videos from just text descriptions, and these aren't your typical short clips. We're talking about videos longer than 20 seconds with stable hand movements and really expressive facial and body movements. For businesses, it can transform simple product images into engaging video clips and even create realistic interactions between people and products. One of the standout capabilities of Goku Plus is its specialized advertising optimization. The system is built to create high-definition videos directly from text descriptions, and ByteDance claims it's performing better than other video AI models currently available. It's not just about making videos, it's about creating content that converts. What's particularly interesting is how Goku Plus handles the end-to-end optimization process. When it turns product images into video clips, it's not just adding random movement or effects. The system is designed to enhance the appeal and effectiveness of marketing materials while staying true to the product's core characteristics. The potential applications are huge, from creating engaging product demonstrations to generating virtual avatar presentations. Goku Plus seems poised to revolutionize how we approach video content creation in advertising. ByteDance's research suggests this could be a game changer for businesses looking to scale their video marketing efforts without scaling their budgets. There's no information on where and how we can use it, so kinda bummer. Their showcased video is good, but can't measure how good it is if we can't use it for ourselves. The technology looks promising, but until we can get our hands on it, we'll have to wait and see if it lives up to these impressive claims. If you want to keep updated on what's happening in the AI world, hit that subscribe button. And while you're here, check out my recent videos. I've got one about the amazing capabilities of OpenAI's O3 Mini and another one showing you this free AI voice generator that's actually better than 11 Labs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.